greater than. We have 3 balls and we have 2 balls. We have to find which is greater. So we are left with 1 ball. It means 3 balls are greater than 2 balls. We have 4 apples. And we have 2 apples. We have to find which is greater. So we are left with 2 apples. That means 4 apples are greater than 2 apples. We have 5 oranges. And we have 4 oranges. We have to find which is greater. So we are left with 1 orange. That means 5 oranges are greater than 4 oranges. We have 5 roses. And we have 4 roses. We have to find which is greater. So we are left with 1 rose. That means 5 roses are greater than 4 roses. We have 3 bells. And we have 1 bell. We have to find which is greater. So we are left with 2 bells. That means 3 bells are greater than 1 bell. When we count up to 100, 100 comes after 86. So 100 is greater than 86. When we count up to 70, 70 comes after 28. So 70 is greater than 28. When we count up to 99, 99 comes after 33. So 99 is greater than 33. When we count up to 65, 65 comes after 30. So 65 is greater than 30. When we come up to 86, 86 comes after 52. So 86 is greater than 52.